We're walking in the streets of Budapest, Hungary. It's freezing cold out here, but we're trying to cover this one. Ano structure to? What do you think of this one? Para siyang historical, no? Huh? It could be a signing under this building. Grabe, rich masyadong building ng... Ay, ano to? Parang embassy? This is embassy? What? This embassy? I think this embassy. Huh? Oh, there's a charging station here. For charging station. He charge. Grabe, no? Mga electric vehicle. Kamatay lang. It's just 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, and yet the temperature is below, I think. Ano yung bridge, oh? Ano? You know? Punta tayo dyan? You know? Ito yung statue dyan, oh. They have a taxi stand. Then yung bridge na yan. Ha? Okay. We're going Public Plaza.